The Big Bang Theory. One video can set you up for massive success on YouTube. This was my Big Bang. This happened in May 2016, just a few months ago. I had been working and bringing out videos and videos after videos across all of these months. Yet all I managed to do in a year and a half is get 2,000 subscribers. 2,000! Across this massive period. I had been trying to figure out what works, and then suddenly, boom, there was a glimmer of light. This was the small bang. The small bang was my Dan TDM sings his intro song. This was where I realised that what you need to do is you need to do really good edits of gamers. This is the thing that will get people to pay attention to me. Because I am using a figure, in this case it's Dan TDM, a very popular YouTube figure as the subject of my videos. Now, initially what it was is I used to do Minecraft videos, GTA 5 videos, I did some how-to videos, like how to get loads of subscribers on YouTube, how to become famous on YouTube. These were the videos I was bringing out to try and make my channel go viral, and it just didn't work. Until this happened. And then I realised the person that I should make the centre of attention on my YouTube videos is a real life popular YouTuber. That was the small bang I needed to give me inspiration to create these two. I could see that Dan TDM with 12 million subscribers had a lot of fans. But I could see there was a massive opportunity to cover Little Kelly because nobody was. And that was my big bang. This kind of maroon colour, that's this one here. The purple colour, the top 5 sad moments, that's this one here. So I created this one initially, and then the top 5 sad moments compounded it to create so many views. Look at the views. That was the Big Bang. If we go to the subscribers of that period, there's the Big Bang in subscribers. But the Big Bang Theory is not uncommon. The Big Bang Theory is the reason why YouTubers make it big. They finally find the formula after a long time of searching. Some of them don't take a long time to find the formula. But they take all this time of searching, what is that thing that will make people want to subscribe, that will make people want to view my channel. And this, after a long time of searching, was where I found that Big Bang. It went from the double figures to easily in the triple figures to nearly in the 4 figures. Now let's have a look at other YouTubers that did exactly the same. Generation DIY. She has 1.27 million subscribers in 120 videos. That's insane. There are so many people that have taken thousands of videos to get even halfway to this point. But 120 videos is all it took, and let me show you how. This one here was her Big Bang. This one. If we have a look at Social Blade, we can see she brought that video out at the beginning of 2014, and look what happened as a result. She was getting thousands upon thousands of subscribers a month. Thousands. And she kept the momentum going. She found what worked, and she kept it going. That's what you need to do. When you find what works, you need to keep it going. A bit like I did. I made a video that was insanely popular. I made another one that compounded it. This is what you need to do. The Big Bang. Once that Big Bang hits, you've got to make it last as long as possible. So look at the views, look at the subscribers. Now let's look at Dennis. Dennis only started his channel in March this year. And in just 7 months, he's got 727,000 subscribers. That is incredible. He has done triple the amount of videos that Generation DIY has. However, that has exacerbated the growth. That has increased the growth in such a small space of time. So what made Dennis so popular? This video here that he made 5 months ago had nearly 1 million views. And if we have a look, we can see, we can chart it back to May 2016. There's the Big Bang. And look at the monthly subs. 177,000 subs in 1 month. 185 the next month. And it was because this is where it started. And then he realized it worked. So he did another dating video, another dating video. He does these dating videos and you can see they get so many views, like 1 million views, 1.5 million views, 2 million views, 2.7 million views. And it all started with this. So the dating works. And this is how he's been able to maximize on the Big Bang. Because he found what worked and he carried on doing it. Let's go to Tai Lopez. This was his massive video. He had been on YouTube for ages at this point. He'd been on it for a long time. He's been on since August 2013. He brought this out in September 2015. Look at these monthly views. He was virtually unheard of until the point of Here in My Garage. And then boom! Look at that. 95.7 million views. And then there came the subs. 64,000 subs in 1 month. 59,000 subs in 1 month. This video was his Big Bang. PewDiePie. How can you explain 49 million subscribers? I'll show you how. Because PewDiePie has made 3,000 videos. So whereas you've got Dennis who's made 300 videos to get to this stage, PewDiePie has made 3,000 videos. And the thing with PewDiePie is that when he got the Big Bang, he kept making all these videos just to make these subs just go up and up and up and up. He makes so many videos to keep the snowball effect going. So the snowball started small and then look at this. From 2012, he was getting 81,000 subs to, in January 2014, 2.48 million subs a month. This is insane. So this video here was the one that made him. He made it in January 2012. Like you can see down here, this was where it started. And this is why it started. PewDiePie really got going because he was the one that founded the games niche. He was the one that started playing games and showing his face. But this one, where he shows real emotion, he shows you how scared he is in this video, and this is why it became so insanely popular.
For barrels will never, ever, ever. Oh, there's never.
See, he shows human emotion. He shows that he's scared. Now, if we go back to the actual thumbnail, look at the thumbnails that he made. He made thumbnails showing his face and showing this kind of shining parody picture here. And then in there you can see his face screaming. So that was PewDiePie's Big Bang, and he continued. He saw it worked, he continued it going. He made a whole series of videos on that particular game, and he was getting 2.5 million subscribers a month at his peak. Let me show you another example. This is a kid gamer called Ethan Gamer. Now, he does gaming videos. And look at how many subscribers he's got. This boy is 10 years old. And he's got 1.2 million subscribers. I'm not even sure he should even be on YouTube, because YouTube is for 13 and above. But my son's on YouTube, so I can hardly comment. But 1.2 million views. Now, let's have a look at Ethan's Big Bang. Ethan's Big Bang came here. July 2015, he got 131,000 subscribers in this month alone after basically getting in the thousands at one point, 13,000 to 34,000, and then boom, 131,000. A whole 100,000 more. And how? Because he made this video here where he met Dan TDM at Minecon 2015. This was the video that made him. July 8th, 2015. That was his Big Bang. So, the whole point of showing you this video is to tell you that you need the Big Bang, and that Big Bang will tell you that you are on the road to creating a viral channel. You need to find that subject that you're passionate about, that viewers love. When you've made a load of videos starring yourself and it finally goes viral, that is the point where you know you've hit the Big Bang. And at that point, that is when you scale it up. You keep making similar videos. You keep the big bang going and make it last. You need the big bang. When you have the big bang, it tells you that this is the content your audience likes and that your subscribers want to see more of. The big bang is your indication that you're onto a massive, successful channel. So this is what you need to search for. This is what you need to upload videos on YouTube for. You need to find your big bang. Because once you find it, you're going to be laughing. I hope that this video has been inspirational to you, and I'll see you in the next video.